Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change the skin tone on your selfies by using the AirBrush application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then tap on either the camera icon or the library button to select a picture that you want to edit. After that, click on the retouch section down below, slide to the right side of the screen until you find the skin tone button, so tap on it. Here you should either use the auto function so that the skin tone will be changed automatically, and you can adjust it by using this scale in the middle of the screen. You can also do it by yourself by selecting the brush size. After that, tap on the brush button, zoom in and select a skin tone on this scale that you can find in the right side of the screen. So tap on the relevant one and then zoom in and brush over the areas that you want to change, and then it will be changed. You can also make it darker or lighter by using this scale. So if you want to erase and reset your picture to the original copy, tap on the eraser button and it will be reset completely. If you are satisfied with the result, tap on the check mark icon down below to save your picture. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.